Let's create graduation photo collage in Canva. Open Canva and click Create. Choose Custom Size. Set unit to inch and set the width to 24 and the height 36. And then create new design. Go to File, click Setting, and choose Add Guides. Choose Custom. Divide the width to 3. So 24 divided to 3 will be 8. And the height 36 will be 12. And then set the gap to 0.2. So here, enter. And then click Add Guides. Now go to Element. And then choose Frames. Add a square. Set the width to 4 boxes. And I will place it here and increase the height here, so it will be 3 boxes at the bottom and 3 boxes on the top. Add a square again, and I will place it here in the corner. Reduce the size like this, and then I will duplicate it and place it to this corner. Okay, and then I will duplicate it and I will place it here in the center of the bottom part and reduce the width to 2 boxes and duplicate it, place on the top. Alright, now I will duplicate it again and I will place it here. Let's make it not asymmetrical so it won't be a boring photo collage, and I will increase the width here and reduce the height into 2 boxes, and then I will duplicate again. I will place it here. I will reduce it into 1 box square and then duplicate. I will place it here. Increase the width 2 boxes, height 3 boxes, and then I will duplicate it, place here, 2 boxes square, duplicate, and I will place it here. Okay, now the bottom part, I will duplicate this one and I will make it 3 boxes to 2 boxes. I will duplicate, make it 1 box square like on the top, and then duplicate. I will put it here. I will make it 2 boxes square, and then I will duplicate and place it here. I will make it 2 boxes, 4 boxes, and then I will duplicate this one. I will place it here. I will reduce it like this. Back to Element, back, and then go to Shape, add a square, and place it here. Make it 4 boxes to 2 boxes, and then click the color button. Change the color to a gradient of your school brand color. For example, I will click here, click gradient. I will make it horizontal gradient like this, and I will change this gray into this maroon. Alright, I will add 1 maroon here and click on the white, reduce the transparency to 0, and then type the name here and type the quotes here. Now you can remove all the guidelines. Back to File, Setting, and Clear Guides, and then upload your photos and insert here. And also the activity photo or childhood photo. And when you're finished, click Share, click Download, increase the size to maximum. It is a Pro feature. and then you can choose PNG or PDF print, and then click download and then send to your print shop. And if you want to sell it, just click share and click templates link. This is a pro feature also, and then click create template link, and if someone buy it from you, you can send them the link after the purchase finish. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.